Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria, and if you're not new here, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the perfect sleek high bun on my hair. So the products I'm going to be using for it are this Eco Styler gel to sleek down my hair, a moisturizer to put before I start applying the gel. I'm going to be using the Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. Oh well. I'm also going to be using this hard bristled brush and a toothbrush, also a wide tooth comb, a spray bottle, and edge control. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to spray some water on my hair, just to make it easier to manage. Then I'm going to use some of this moisturizer, just a little bit. And because I don't want the ends of my hair to be too tangled, I'm just going to brush it out a bit with the comb, just like from the ends out. Next, I'm going to use the gel. This is the argan oil one, by the way. So I'm going to use this much. I'm going to brush it in with the hard bristled brush. And I forgot to mention it, but I'm going to be using a shoelace because it's the easiest thing to tie a sleek bun with. So wrap it around my head and just pull back. The key here is just adjusting it until it looks the way you want it to look. Okay, so next I'm going to take some gel from my edges as well. And that's it, you guys. You can also like add some accessories to it to make it cuter, but I'm not going to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I love you. Oh my god.